This is a tape measure. Tape measure is a tool to measure length of objects. Here you can see that we have two different scales. These are inches. We're not going to use the inches in Mexico. We use centimeters. So first make sure that you're working with centimeters. The next thing you have to do whenever you're using a tape measure is to find a zero. As you can see, our zero is just on the edge of the tape measure. To measure an object, you will need to set the zero just in the edge of the object you want to measure. And carefully put your fingers so the tape measure is just in touch with the object. You keep going until you reach the other edge. As you can see here, we got 20 centimeters, and the small lines are millimeters. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 until we reach this edge. So this shell is 20 centimeters and 4 millimeters.